Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change Instagram picture after posting. Open your Instagram app and first you need to tap on your profile icon in the right bottom corner. Then you can go to your profile and here you can find your all photos you posted. Click on the photo you want to edit and so now you need to tap on these three lines or three dots in the top right corner and here you can find this edit option. Tap on it to edit your photo. You cannot change the image you posted by clicking this option, but you can change the captions. If you want to change your photo, you need to click on this delete option and then you can change the image and repost it. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.